Hey everybody, today we're in a Jaguar F-Pace. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip center mount number 855914. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First of all, this mount does use a little bit of double-sided tape. You'll see this blue covering here. You want to peel that blue covering off before you attach the mount. And that tape is designed so that if you ever need to remove the mount in the future, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second, always make sure you install the mount onto the vehicle before you screw anything to the faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. This mount is going to attach in two spots. The first, this lip where the tape is going to sit right on top of your screen here. The second is this upper lip that kind of just swoops upwards, is going to slide into a lip that's right here. Basically this piece of trim just above the vent. Right underneath it, there's a seam where you can feel it meets the vent flashing on the inside. That's where our upper lip is going to fit into. So we're going to set this basically right here. And now we're going to use our fingers. This is going to require a decent amount of pressure, but you're going to want to flex the mount downwards and push it into the vent at the same time. Now that that's in place, you have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.